Today I'm going to show you a delicious garlic buffalo chicken dip that's going to be the highlight of your game day, even if your team loses. I don't know about you, but I don't want to spend a ton of time in the kitchen on game day. I want to be with my friends on the couch watching a great game. With only 10 minutes of prep and 30 minutes in the oven, this recipe comes together super fast. So before we dive into this recipe, click that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our flavor maker recipes. All right, so let's get into this. I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm adding a half a cup of sour cream. It's going to add tang and creaminess and all the stuff you want in this buffalo chicken dip. And now it's time to add 1 block of softened cream cheese. So I'm mixing up my cream cheese and my sour cream, just kind of using a rubber spatula. It's important that your cream cheese is really nice and soft so that it blends really easily with your sour cream. And now we're ready for one of my favorite ingredients, Frank's Red Hot. I'm using the original, the goat of hot sauces, and I'm using half a cup of this. I'm mixing up my Frank's and my sour cream and my cream cheese. This is going to be the creamy, hot, tangy base of my dish. Now to make this dish extra special and super deliciously savory, I'm using a little garlic powder. It's a pantry staple. I always have it in the house, and I think it adds a great kick to this recipe. It already smells so good. I can smell that garlic and that Frank's, and the two together just marry and make a delicious dip. I think it's time to add in my half a cup of cheese. I'll get that mixed up in there. The rest of the cheese is going to be for the top. So that's all mixed in, and then for my chicken. I have here some chicken that's already shredded. I'm going to add in here about 2 cups. And now it's time to mix it up. And you can use any kind of leftover chicken you have, or a rotisserie chicken is great. Now that my dip is blended together, I'm going to dish it up. I want to get it all in there, every last bit. You guys are going to need to make 2 of these because your friends will not be able to get enough. So kind of want to just move it over and make sure it's evenly spread throughout the dish. And then of course we need to top with some more cheese. Okay, that looks great. I'm putting the foil on so that my cheese stays nice and creamy and that my chip doesn't break when I dig into it. So let's stick this in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350. And it's that easy, guys. It's gonna be hot and bubbly. It's gonna be so good when it comes out. Look at that bubbliness, and it's super cheesy and creamy. And now it's time to garnish with a little extra Frank's Red Hot. I feel like with these things, you're either Team Ranch or Team Blue Cheese. And I'm definitely Team Ranch, especially with this recipe. The ranch pairs super nicely with the garlic. So let's just take a little bit and drizzle it over the top. And that looks perfect. I cannot wait to eat this. So I have here all my dippers. I have some veggies, some baguettes, some pita chips. I love chips, so I'm gonna go with a chip. Wow. Frank's and garlic together, perfect marriage of flavors. You guys have to try this. If you want to see more recipes and tips from the McCormick Test Kitchen chefs, make sure to click that subscribe button below. When I dip, you dip, buff dip. Enjoy.